how are ya? The year's coming to an end, and I wanted to take this time to look back and reflect on the past year. I cannot thank you guys enough for all of the love and support you have shown me in the last 10 months of this journey. From subscribing to my channel, to ringing that notification bell and giving me those thumbs up on my videos. I cannot tell you guys how much that means to me. Even reading your comments on my videos is just so inspiring that it just helps me and it just keeps me doing what I'm doing. So a huge thank you to all of you for following me on this crazy journey that I started just 10 months ago. So thank you for sticking with me, and I hope you continue to stick with me for a long time to come. So I just wanted to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and all the best for 2020. Now, I have a few friends who have a few things to say as well.
Hey everybody, just stopping by my friend's channel to say thank you guys for supporting the acrylic pouring community. We really appreciate everything you have done for us, and I just wanted to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi everyone, really quick, I just wanted to pop by my friend's channel to say hello and to thank the entire acrylic pouring community, the artists, subscribers, the suppliers, everyone. Without you guys, this amazing creative space would not exist. So thank you, and I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi everybody, I'm just stopping in on my friend's channel to wish them and you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. If you don't celebrate, I wish you happiness all the same. There has been such a supportive community when it comes to acrylic pouring, so this is why I am stopping by to say thank you, because not only do you help by watching, by commenting, by clicking the like button, but you help us up here, and for me that is priceless. So thank you for your support, and with that being said, happy pouring.